Hey, I'm Dustin here at Weber Autowerks. Show you guys what we got going on right now. One of our projects right now we got going on is we got a 57 Chevy, full steel body. We've taken the frame off underneath, and we're going to do a full C4 custom frame with it. It's going to have a 7-liter LS, 460 that's built up. So we're working on that. We're going to do custom firewall, and we're doing some spare tire delete in the back. So this isn't going to be here anymore. We're going to cut that out. We're going to weld the plate up on there, do that. It's going to be a custom fuel cell that's going to be mounted onto the frame. Show you guys the frame. This is the frame we have for it, courtesy of Nerd Rods, full TIG welded. We put it together here at the shop. It's going to use all the factory mounting points, but it's the C4K frame has been modified for the LS swap. So that's going to be that. It's going to be full coilover suspension. The same frame can be used with airbags. It can use the leaf springs from the C4. Definitely advise going with something modern. Use the coilover. We're doing that. We do full engine rebuilds. We're doing a 7-liter LS for this car. I don't know how much further we're going to go. It depends on if the customer wants to supercharge it, turbocharge it, or just have it naturally aspirated. It's basically what we do here. We have this 94 Chevy 1500 step-side that we're working on too. Basically the same thing. It's not a full frame, but we C-notched it. We did a custom 4-link, custom panhard bar. We're switching over to full coilovers, 4-wheel disc brakes. It also has an LS swap that we built for it. That'll get supercharged down the line. We're gonna do custom fuel cell. We're gonna do a custom bed floor, all diamond plate. The parts are off at powder coat right now. When we get that done, we'll get that back, put back together, and we'll have it mocked up. We'll put some more pictures up for you guys. We're gonna run a 20x9 setup, 285 all the way around. This is just going to be a daily. We're also going to put custom Audi R8 seats. We're having those upholstered right now. I'm fabbing up brackets today for it, so those will be in the truck. It's just a few of the things that we do, and like I said, whenever we get our suspension stuff back from powder coat, we'll put some pictures up once the frame is all cleaned up the rest of the way and put back together. Same thing with the 57 Chevy frame. It's getting ready. Well, it's ready to go to powder coat right now. We're just waiting for a K-frame so we can finish welding up the LS swap mounts for it. Yeah, that's what we do here. Also, we're just doing like general maintenance on classics. We have a 35 45 window outside. We have a 57 Chevy right here that had some little things wrong with it, so we're going through, we're cleaning that up. It's dropped blocks, spindles. Got a few 70s Corvettes here that we're working on, just general maintenance and cleaning it up, modernizing them a little bit. We're doing the same thing. We have an 80 Corvette outside. We just pulled the motor out of. We just took everything out of the engine compartment. We're about to pull the body off and clean that up, send it off the powder coat. Same thing, LS swap. We just got the wiring out of it today, so we're doing full custom chassis harness, full custom engine tranny harness. And that's basically what we do for all of our swaps like this. It simplifies the build, it's cleaner in the end, and that's just what we got going on. It's my little work table where I weld a lot of the stuff together if it's not big. And then we got big welding tables there just put away right now, out of the way for the shop. But man, if you guys got something that you want done, whether it's general simple maintenance on something old, or if you want to modernize it, throw LS swaps in it, update it, we can do that for you here at Weber. My name's Dustin. Ken Weber's the owner. My partner Mark's around here somewhere. And we got it all locked down.